Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is video number 20 of our grand Bengal Fest. So Bengal Fest is a very new concept. This is the first time we are doing it for our Pratha viewers. It is a celebration of saris woven in the region of West Bengal in small rural areas wherein there are such less facilities, but still these weavers and craftsmen are so beautiful and so artistic in terms of the saris that they weave. We thought this is a must. We have to bring forth this art in front of all of you, and hence this Bengal Fest. In this video, now I am going to show a very beautiful type of saris. Now this is from our Tussar Jamdani collection. I'm going to insert a video here. I had recently worn a pink sari from this collection in our exhibition at Ville Parle, and everybody loved that sari. We had only 3 or 4 colors in that, and we sold out those colors in that particular exhibition. So for all those who inquired about that sari, we have that particular color now in stock, and we have many more colors in that particular design. So here we go, starting with this very beautiful grey. Now remember, this is a nice pure tussar fabric with beautiful hand weaving of all this design. From a distance you might feel that it is hand painting or digital print or something like that. Till the inner side of the sari you get to see this beautiful weaving. It's a very nice shade of grey, this particular sari. Just look at how intricate the weaving is. It looks so pretty. You can choose to wear nice sleeveless blouses with this sari. You can wear plain raw silk blouses. They'll also look very pretty. So yes, this is it. The pallu is in continuation with the Jamdani weaving. So this is the first one. Let's move to the further designs. These saris are so light in weight. They get draped so beautifully, and even if you wear these saris for 12, 13, 14 hours, you will not feel tired. You will not feel that, okay, I'm wearing a handloom silk sari. You will not feel that weight at all. So this is the next one. It's a very beautiful red. Now this particular sari has only black and small yellow white flowers in the design. That black color looks very pretty against this beautiful fresh red sari. So yes, this is it. Beautiful Tussar Jamdani weaves. The price of this particular sari is 10,800. The next one is the one that I wore. So this is the beautiful pink Jamdani. A very pretty weave, beautifully woven. This is how it looks. The designs might slightly vary when we tell you that it's the same sari. The design might vary slightly, but the color is the same and the type of weaving is the same. These kind of saris it's very difficult to get them bulk produced or mass produced because it is weaving. There are bound to be some differences in the color or in the fabric or in the dyeing of the tussar fabric. So yes, here we go. Let's move to the next one. The next one is another grey. I already showed a grey, but this is a different design. A very beautiful design. It's a beautiful dark bluish grey color. Very beautiful. These saris also look very nice if you pleat them up. Imagine a nice stage event that you will be performing on or talking on or presenting something on, or if you have an important meeting, conference in your office, then these saris are literally going to steal attention. So yes, this is it. Let's move to the next one. Now this is another design. This is Jamdani. This is again tussar, but this has a more intricate design. This is like a brocade Jamdani that we have here. Very pretty, very classy. It looks absolutely stunning. These saris look slightly more festive when you actually wear them. This particular design I'm talking about. So yes, this is it. A very beautiful shade of yellow. This is how it looks. The price of this particular design is 11,500. Then we have again that bluish grey shade. Just look at the design. It looks so gorgeous, and I'm just going to pleat this one up so you understand the fall of the fabric. They get draped so beautifully. Now if it was me and if I was going to wear this sari, I might team this up with a nice silver chanderi tissue blouse. It will look very pretty, or I can also team it up with a nice antique gold blouse. That will look nice. So yes, this is it. Let's move to the next one. The next is a gorgeous white. I'm very sure these saris are not going to last long. So we have single pieces. So please make sure you place your orders at the earliest. This fest is about celebrating the weaves from this region, and it is also about all of you viewers like you, sari lovers like you, giving applaud or appreciation towards this art, and it is your encouragement. If you buy more of these saris, it's going to provide more employment, more encouragement to the viewers in this region, and we'll keep getting these saris as it is a very, very rich tradition in India. So yes, this is the next one. Let's move to the last sari of this video and the last one in this design. Just look at this beautiful shade of green. Now this is like a chutney green, as we call it. It's a leafy green color, but slightly lighter than what we usually see in emerald greens. I'll just show you the back side of this sari. This is the back side. This is how it looks. So yes, this is it. This is the beautiful green. If you like it, please go ahead and comment Bengal Fest on Instagram. If you're not watching on Instagram, if it is on Facebook or YouTube, and you just go to the caption or description and check out the individual product links, you can go to our website, directly check out the Bengal Fest collection. If you've not watched all of our videos, just go to the website, check out that collection. You'll get to see all the saris. So yes, here we are. We have many more videos left. It's not the end. Please stay tuned till the end. Thank you.